During the pandemic, children have faced unique stressors. In families where there is violence, children haven't had the escape usually provided by school, sports, activities, and time with friends and family. The people and places kids count on for safety have not been available, and many children have faced increased stress and trauma as a result of not knowing how to find support.
Children in our community and in all communities face adversity and trauma every day. Things like child abuse or neglect, domestic violence, mental illness, or substance abuse in the home can all have a lasting impact. Science helps us understand trauma can influence a child's brain and development across their lifespan.
As a result, children might be more likely to experience mental health concerns, use substances, struggle in school, demonstrate challenging behaviors, or have difficulty in relationships. Without the right supports from everyone in the community, these issues can persist into adulthood.
The good news is that when children are exposed to positive experiences and supportive adults, we can provide a buffer against adversity and trauma, creating more hopeful futures. The latest research tells us when kids have opportunities for connection and belonging, and when they receive concrete help and support from caring adults, it is possible for them to lead healthy lives in spite of the challenges.
In our own Fairfax County Youth Survey, we see children are less likely to engage in risky behaviors, report mental health symptoms, or struggle in school when they have adults in the community to talk to, when they participate in extracurricular activities or community service, when they have teachers who recognize their good work, or when parents are available to help.
If you're an adult who cares about and interacts with kids, you have an opportunity to make an impact. Whether you are a neighbor, coach, youth group leader, or work in an after-school program, the more caring adults in a child's life, the better equipped they will be to navigate adversity. Make a difference in how the children in your life see themselves by being hopeful and optimistic about their success. To learn more about how to help a child thrive and the factors that matter, visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov and search 3 to Succeed.